feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to another video here on my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you what I purchased during the Amazon Prime Day sales. Now, not everything that I got was actually on sale. I just happened to get it during those 3 days. So yeah, not everything was on sale, but I'm just going to show you everything that I got those 3 days. Not everything is nail products, so I'm going to start with the non-nail items first and then get into the nail items, which there's only like 4 things. Okay, so I got some skincare stuff. So the first thing I needed was some sunscreen, and this actually was on sale for Prime Day. This is the Unseen sunscreen by Supergoop. Let me see if I could change the light. Can I get, is that better? I made the lighting just like a slightly, let me see. Can I change the lighting? Wow. Okay, there we go. So this is the Unseen sunscreen by Supergoop, and this is just the box. I kept the box so I can just show y'all the box. This was actually on a Prime Day deal, so yeah, it was like 30 or 40% off, something like that. And this is the actual sunscreen. I have been using it, that's why it's a little sticky. It is clear. See if I can see, it's clear. It's a clear sunscreen. It's really nice. It's SPF 50 and it's water and sweat resistant for up to 40 minutes. It's my first time using a Supergoop sunscreen. My favorite sunscreen is actually from Beauty of Joe Sun, and then my second favorite one is from Naturium. So I wanted to try something a little bit different, so I picked this one because it had great reviews, and I've seen a lot of like beauty gurus and skincare gurus that I watch here on YouTube recommend Supergoop. So yeah, let me know what's your favorite sunscreen. Okay, so the next 3 skincare items I got are all from Medicube, and I have the boxes, so I kept the boxes just to show you guys. So I got 3 things from Medicube. I got a toner, a PDRN serum, and then the collagen jelly cream. So this is the PDRN soothing toner, and I got this because this particular line is supposed to help with like pores and things like that, and also has cica in it, and I do really like cica, and it has niacinamide, and I also really like niacinamide. Here's the back if you wanted to take a screenshot. There's the directions. And then I got the pink peptide serum, and it's the same line. It's the PDRN pink line. And if you want to see, let's see, this one is like a little bit thicker. It's a thicker serum. It's really nice. I do really like it. And lastly, from Medicube, I got the collagen jelly cream, and it is also pink. It comes with a little like spatula thingy, but I just put that up. But it looks like this, so it's a solid cream. So yeah, here's the back of that if you wanted to see it. And these were all like between 25 and 35% off. So it was a better deal than buying it off of, say, like TikTok Shop, because Medicube is like huge on TikTok. So that was all of the skincare items that I got, and you know, let's move on. So these are the next 3 things I got. I got some paper for my printer, and I got some sticker paper so I can make my own stickers. I thought it would be fun to, you know, you guys know my little logo had a summer, well, I gave my logo a little bit of a summer makeover, so I changed the color of the shirt. And yeah, so I thought I could make, I want to try to see how the stickers look. So that's what I'll be doing, trying to print out the logo and maybe a few other things, maybe some pictures of like my dog or something, and make them stickers, and we're going to see how it turns out. None of these papers were on sale for Prime Day. I just wanted them, and they were all less than $10. So this has actually a bunch of sheets. It's a lot of sheets in here, and it's just sticker paper. So yeah, I'm going to try and make some stickers, and I'll let you guys know how that works out. Next, I got some water slide decal paper. So I was inspired by Dulce. She makes some of her own water decals. I don't think she's ever done a video on how she does it, but I did see some videos on TikTok, many different papers. So I just got this one, which this one you do have to seal. They do have water slide paper that you don't have to put a seal on it, like you don't have to top coat it. It's not going to get ruined if you put it in the water. But with these ones, I think I will have to top coat it or put a coat of Mod Podge on top of it, which I do already have Mod Podge, so I didn't have to buy that. So yeah, I'm excited to try to make my own water decals. I'm going to do it on Canva. I actually already started getting some characters together, downloading some pictures and putting them on a Canva sheet so I can print them all on one piece of paper. So if you have any ideas of some characters or maybe some sayings or words or something that you think I should turn into a water slide decal, then let me know in the comments. And lastly, I got this self-adhesive laminating sheet. So I don't know if you guys have ever seen those like art tracing books. Many people make them. You can buy them on Etsy and things like that. I decided that I wanted to make my own. And I was looking at laminators, which they did have a lot of different laminators on sale for Prime Day. But I was just kind of like, do I really need a laminator to do this one thing? So I found these self-adhesive laminating sheets. So I can print out some designs. I think I'm going to do like cartoon characters and stuff. Print them out. And then I can slide them in between the laminating sheets. Then I can trace over top of it and just wipe it clean without ruining it. And I have a little tracing book. So instead of buying one, I'm going to make one myself. And lastly, let's get into the few nail items that I got. So I did get some swatch sticks and I got the little ones. So let me just open it up. They like the little spoon shaped ones. I don't own any of these kinds. So yeah, let me see. Yeah, they're like the little spoon shaped ones. So I got black for, you know, cat eye. And then I got clear. It's the same exact thing, it's just clear. So I'm excited to use these. You guys will be seeing these very soon because I do have a pretty large Shea Jai haul. I ordered a bunch more polishes off of Temu, so I will be swatching some new Shea Jai polishes, so stay tuned for that. Okay, we're trucking along. So I also got some nail tips. I got these tips from Beat or Bite, I don't know, but I've seen this brand online, people reviewing it, but I've mostly seen people reviewing their like glitter full size lamps, like their LED UV lamps. I've seen that, but I've never seen the tips. And the box actually is what drew me in because I was like, oh, that looks kind of professional. So I got the smaller size. This one is 224 pieces and I got medium almond. And I'm going to use these to make tips for myself. So these won't be for like content nails. They'll be for tips for myself. Here's the packaging. They do have ones that are bigger as far as like the amount of tips you get. I wasn't sure how I would like these, so I just got the smaller size. I think the other one was like 507 pieces or 508 pieces, something like that. But they listed these as like acrylic tips, so I don't know. Let's open it and I'm gonna see. Okay, so these are the tips. I don't know if I can get a good enough shot for y'all. You can like, they are thinner at the base, so you can get a bend. You can bend them so they're flexible down there, and they're actually quite sturdy. So they're really flexible, like probably about to like right here in the nail, and then up here starts to get a whole lot more just sturdy. But they're medium almond, and they're probably going to be kind of long on me because I have very short nail beds. So that's, you know, that to me that's kind of long. But I did get the medium, and it goes from a 00 all the way down to a 9. So this is the smallest size. So I am excited to try these. My favorite nail tips are from Not Polish, but these are cheaper. And lastly, I got some tips from Unagella. These are going to be for content. I am running out of stiletto nail tips, so I got these ones, and these are long stiletto. That's why the box is so big, because they're long. And these go from a size 0 to I think a 10. They don't have the numbers, do they? They do. They have the numbers on these. It goes from a 0 to a 10. I'm looking at the top part. They have like the numbers, so they have a 10. So these ones are, you know, they're sturdy too. I mean, they're Unagella. They're good tips. I have this brand tips already. Not these ones, but I have this brand. Plenty of their tips. So I do like them, and these are long stiletto. I do really like them. So I'm excited to make some nails with these. And then I got 2 more things. So I got a rubber base gel in my my Model 1s unboxing, the Model 1s PR video. I said that I wanted to start using more rubber base and eventually get the hang of that, and then maybe move on to hard gel at some point. So I wanted to get a rubber base from Roger Sim, because I know this is a good brand, and I only got one, just this one, and it is in the color 774. It's a very pretty color. Should I swatch it? I only got one polish, so I might as well just go ahead and swatch it, right? Let me see. Let me put it on top of black. Might be able to see it a little bit better. But yeah, this is the color. I thought it would be a nice base color. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think of that color. And have you ever tried this brand's rubber base? It's 15 ml, the size, so it's pretty big. And yeah, this is not the first rubber base I have. I have some V Beauty pure rubber bases, and I also have 2 of the Not Polished sticky gels. And then I have the ones that I got from Model 1s in the PR. So I have some rubber bases to be able to play with. And the last thing I got from Amazon during their Prime Day sales was a nail extension gel. And this is from Macart. And I only got one. I don't think I'm gonna swatch it. Maybe I'll put a little bit, or maybe I'll save it. You know what? I'm gonna save it. I'm not gonna open it. But this is the color. So it's like a nude color. I plan on doing, you guys know I have my trial and nail series, which I didn't do a trial and nail video for June. I was having some lighting issues, so I had to get a new light, and I have that now. So I'm just gonna skip the June trial and nail and, you know, move on. But I do plan on trying polygel. I don't know when I'm going to try polygel, but it was like $5 or $6 off. Even though Macart runs sales all the time, I just went ahead and grabbed it during the Prime Day sales. So yeah, so this was everything that I got during the Amazon Prime Day sale. I didn't include the paper in the end shot, but yeah, this and then that paper. So this is everything. Let me know what you guys got, if you bought anything during the Prime Day sale, and what you got. Did you get nail items? Did you get household things? You know, stuff like that. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, you know, hit all the buttons, do all the things. I did actually get one more thing during Amazon Prime Day, but it's going to go in the giveaway, so I'm not going to show it in the video because I can't swatch it, because I'm going to give it away. It's polishes, so that's going to go in a giveaway box. So giveaway coming soon, so make sure you are subscribed and you're watching my content, because I'm just going to put the giveaway in a video. It's not going to be like announced in like the title. So make sure you're watching my content and interacting and all of the things. Thank you so much for watching. And if you've ever tried Medicube, let me know what you think. I've been using it for a few days, and I mean, I haven't had any breakouts or any itchiness or anything like that. So let me know what you think of Medicube. Should I try anything else from the brand, and what you think about Supergoop sunscreen. I've been liking it so far. I like the way it feels. It feels really nice on the skin. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next one. Bye guys.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.